Now it's time to get money. Let me tell y'all this, right? The average person wouldn't invest just because of a commission fee. We talk all this commission fee talk, commission, even though that don't have nothing to do with you getting rich. Preserving the capital and the compound interest is what get you rich. But watch your babaloo, say watch your babaloo. Let me tell y'all this, right? It's lit. What a beaut. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Hold up, hold up. Oh, shit. It's a beautiful time to be a stock market investor. And it's a beautiful time to get in. Let me tell y'all what just happened, right? No more commissions. No more commission fee. You don't have to pay no more commissions. Which means you know how big of a position you can make now? Now it's time to get money now. Now it's time to get money. Let me tell y'all this, right? The average person wouldn't invest just because of a commission fee. We talk all this commission fee talk, commission, even though that don't have nothing to do with you getting rich. Preserving the capital and the compound interest is what get you rich. But let's speak about the commission fees, right? I pay about $6.99 every time I buy in and out of a stock with TD Ameritrade, right? Right? Now, that's if I'm buying one share. One. So let's say I'm buying one $20 share, it comes out to 27. You see what I mean by it's lit now? You see what I mean by you could build up a position now? Now you could buy $20, $20, $20, $20, $20, $20, $20. Preserve your capital and get your bread. No commission. That's a beautiful thing. And it's not only with Robinhood. You see, Robinhood was like the first to do it. But now we got TD Ameritrade. We got E-Trade. Oh yeah, it's on. That's the big boys. That's the big investment accounts right there. TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Fidelity, Scott. These are the big guys. When these guys, you don't gotta pay no commission to buy stock. Buy as much stock as possible. It's lit now. You could buy every day. You could buy daily now. You don't even gotta wait and pile up enough cash. Because this is what I used to do. You pile up enough cash and then you buy because of the commission. Nah, no more of that. You could build up a nice position. Buy. Oh yeah, it's time to win now. What a beautiful morning. Yeah. It's like that. It's like that. Let's get to that bread, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam, lit the Ghetto Man.